Powering your camera can sometimes be an afterthought, particularly for those just starting out in video production. Professional cameras tend to be quite power hungry, particularly when recording at larger resolutions, and if you aren't near a power outlet, the last thing you want to do is to be constantly changing your batteries. Not only does this mean you have to keep track of which batteries are charged and which aren't, but it can mount up in the number of batteries you actually have to buy. For this reason, a lot of users on set will work with larger battery solutions, and one of the most innovative is the Core SWX PowerBase Edge. This battery has been described as the Swiss Army knife of battery packs, and I can understand why, because it can be used on camera, it can be used as a V-mount battery, and it can also be used to power small gimbals. As you can see, the Core SWX PowerBase Edge has a V-mount on the back of it, which means you can mount it to larger cameras or even power lights with it. On one side of the PowerBase Edge, you'll find two USB ports for charging and two D-tap outputs for accessories like field monitors. One of the D-tap outputs is green, and this is the Smart Tap from Core SWX. This transmits all battery data so that it can be implemented by third parties. The other side of the Core SWX is the 7.4 volt connector, which you can use to connect these dummy batteries. There are a range of different dummy batteries from Core SWX. These batteries slot into the camera's battery compartment and then draw power from PowerBase Edge. The PowerBase Edge also has a backlit LCD, which will give you the remaining runtime and battery percentage. If you press the button next to the LCD, it will illuminate the LCD for easier viewing in dark conditions. If you press and hold the button for 20 seconds, it will put the battery into a storage mode, so as to avoid the battery being drained completely. The battery pack also has a quick release plate with a 1/4 inch mounting thread on it. This means that it can be mounted underneath a camera or on a cage or rig. I hope this has helped you understand a bit more about the PowerBase Edge as an alternative power solution for your camera. As always, if you have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to contact the ScanPro video team.